What are easements in real estate? When buying or owning property, few things are as unexpectedly impactful as an easement. These legal rights can allow others to access or use a portion of your land, without owning it. Whether it's a shared driveway, utility line, or right-of-way, understanding how easements function is crucial for any New Jersey property owner or buyer. Easements affect both residential and commercial real estate across New Jersey. They may be clearly written into deeds or hidden until a title search or dispute brings them to light. Because they can influence property value, land use, and development plans, knowing their legal implications is essential. New Jersey law and easements in New Jersey can arise in several legal ways. The most common include written agreements, necessity, and prescriptive use. Easements of necessity are created when a property is landlocked and requires access through a neighbor's land. This often results from property subdivision. Prescriptive easements emerge from long-term use. If someone has used part of a property openly and continuously for at least 20 years, they may gain legal rights to continue that use. These are governed by New Jersey common law, which requires the use to be acknowledged and uninterrupted. Once created, easements are legally binding and typically run with the land, remaining in place even after the property changes hands. While an attorney can challenge or negotiate certain easements, others may be difficult to remove. Can an easement restrict your property use? Yes, it can. An easement might stop you from building a patio, putting in a garden, or extending your home if it interferes with access or utility rights. For instance, a pool that blocks a utility easement might need to be removed. Driveway easements can also cause daily issues like parking disputes unless clearly defined agreements are in place. A lawyer can help evaluate how such restrictions might impact your future plans and property use. Speaking with a law firm before purchase is especially important if you want to avoid unpleasant surprises after closing. What is an easement and how does it work? An easement is a nonpossessory legal right that allows someone else to use your property for a specific purpose. The person or entity doesn't own your land, but they can use part of it under agreed terms. These easements can benefit neighbors, municipalities, or utility companies. Common types of easements include those allowing neighbors to cross your land to access theirs, or allowing service providers to access infrastructure. Easements can either be recorded in property deeds or exist through long-standing usage. If you're planning to buy property in New Jersey, a title search is essential. It usually reveals existing easements that could impact your use of the land. A skilled attorney can interpret what those findings mean for your purchase or future development. How to deal with easements? The smartest time to address easement concerns is before closing on a property. If an easement turns up in a title search and can't be removed by the seller, you'll have to decide whether to proceed. In some cases, easements can be terminated. This might happen if the easement expires, is abandoned, or both properties merge. Legal action may also be an option. In other situations, it could be possible, but costly, to acquire the land affected by the easement. A law firm with real estate experience can help determine the best course of action, whether that involves legal review, negotiation, or alternative property solutions. Dealing with right-of-way property in New Jersey, property owners are typically responsible for maintaining sidewalks, curbs, and trees in the right-of-way adjacent to their home. While towns retain access rights, the duty to repair and maintain usually falls to the homeowner. This arrangement often leads to confusion. But just because an area is in the public right-of-way does not mean the town will take care of it. When disputes arise over this shared space, consulting an attorney may be necessary to clarify responsibilities and protect your property rights. At the Matus Law Group, our attorneys understand the complexities surrounding easements, land use, and property law in New Jersey. Whether you're navigating a purchase or facing a conflict, our law firm can help you protect your rights and investment. Contact the Matus Law Group at 732-785-4453 or visit us at 125 Half Mile Road, number 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701 to schedule a consultation.